they're keeping their distance because the thing might blow, eh? Oculars, eh? Maybe a 30-footer. And you don't have a lighter on this boat, eh?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, wow. You can always get in closer for a light. You have a little stick. Oh man, it's really burning now. You know what? There's 3 girls now.
Don't worry, Robbie. We'll go by close. All right.
Oh, but Daddy, I want to see the fire. Closer, man.
Hey, focus on the fire, and then you
Yeah, like it's an accidental passing.
focus on the fire.
Same yacht club. We're the fire department. Volunteers.